Hey, so you want Wyze to be in charge of your door lock as well? Well, we got the Wyze lock. Let's take a look at it. So Wyze is really making its stride into being more of a full home, smart home ecosystem. Really, they came out with, of course, the cameras, the main Wyze cam, and then the Wyze cam pan, and then you've got the sensors, you've got the light bulbs, you've got the outlets, you've got the motion sensors, and now you have a door lock. So just like a lot of smart door locks, this thing is able to hook up to your deadbolt system that you have on your front door, back door, any door gate thing that you want. And the nice thing about this one versus a lot of other ones is it uses your original key on the outside. So from the outside looking in, it looks like nothing has changed. It still is your normal deadbolt key. So you don't have to change any of that. You don't have to get a new key and get new keys made and everything like that. You use your existing deadbolt. So this actually just replaces the inside lock mechanism. So the lock itself is still the same. It's just the little latch basically changes from the latch to this smart door lock. And the nice thing about this is it's not something that just sits over top. August has the same idea. It keeps the same deadbolt outside, changes your inside, but this thing is actually really small, low profile. The nice thing is it has auto unlock, auto lock, but I turned off auto lock because it has a door open and close sensor, which I still don't quite understand how it works, but it does. It tells you when it is shut and when it is open. But if you have kids like me, every time they shut the door, it would just lock, and then they'd be locked out. So I turned that off. It uses your phone Bluetooth Wi-Fi connection to be able to auto unlock. If you want that feature, it has remote access, sharing it, just like, I mean, everything that all the other Wyze cam and Wyze products, this basically does as well. I went to install it and I started filming it just for like a quick montage, I guess, time lapse of me installing it, taking off the Pin Genie lock, putting this one on, and then I found out that I did it wrong. So actually, if you do get the Wyze lock, make sure all you have to do is take off your inside latch part and then go to the Wyze app and start installing it basically from the app. And the app will literally, step by step, it takes you through everything that you need to know. And the biggest thing is it has 3 different, what do I call them, latch adapters. So if you have different styles or versions of the little lever, the little latch thing that goes through your door and actuates back and forth, if it's a different size, different shape, they have 3 different adapters to be able to use. And I didn't know that, so I put it all together and nothing happened. So make sure you do follow through. Right over here is all it's going on of what the instructions are, and you just pair it with the gateway. It comes with a gateway, just kind of like the UTech. It's a small little, looks like an outlet plug. You plug it straight into the wall. You first set that up, connect it to your Wi-Fi. Once that's done, then it goes to installing the actual lock itself. Step by step tells you take off your existing door lock on the inside, tape the outside, which I didn't really need to do. Make sure it's in this position and put it together. And it really is a nice thing that Wyze has done, is it just tells you step by step in the app how to do this, how to install it, what to do next, how to calibrate it to where it knows when the door is shut, when it's open, when it's cracked. Which I still, again, I don't understand how it knows if my door is open or shut or just a little bit cracked, but it does. It knows when because I thought it was maybe just force, so I quickly try to shut it without actually shutting it. Nope, didn't fool it. It still knows it's open and cracked just a little bit. Again, Wyze, I don't know how you did it, but you did it. Good job at that. So it's got all the settings. You do have to be within Bluetooth range to change any of those settings, but you can still manage to lock and unlock and see all that stuff with just over the Wi-Fi wherever you're at, connected to it. But if you need to change settings like alarm settings to where if the door opens and it stays open for so long it will alarm. You can change the volume, you can change, there's tons of different settings and automations and stuff that you can do with it. So I'm really interested to see if we can use this as a door open close sensor instead of using their sense contact sensors. So it'll be interesting to see. I'll have to dive more into that to see if that's possible. But in a nutshell, Wyze, you did a great job. They did it with lock-in, which is an amazing, very high-end, expensive door lock manufacturer. That's who helped them with this and partnered with them to do it. Nothing really else. It comes with the batteries. All you need is a screwdriver and your phone. So Wyze, congratulations. Good job on the lock. Link is down in the description below to see if these are available yet. I know I pre-ordered this, so ta-da, it's here finally. It's amazing to see Wyze do a lot of new things and get into more of an ecosphere for a smart home at a reasonable price. So make sure you check out the website. Again, my name is Josh, and this has been Gross Tech. God bless you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.